Okay, well, this is question more for Malaysians actually, but what I've seen is that Malaysian government has always said that ICT is a big part of Malaysia 2020, and I've actually made fun of Malaysia. I did Estonian policy or ICT policy back in 1997, and I already heard about Malaysia 2020 back then. But I thought that it was a very huge undertaking, and we never thought of that far ahead maybe in these terms. We just thought, okay, vision is good, but what is parts of the vision, what can we realize? We thought of the principles, you already thought of the goals, but I think we are going to be in 2020 in the same position. First I would say that Estonia gave people a possibility to develop themselves. It wasn't that the government has to do everything for you. It is what you can do. And so access to internet, access to the devices, and if people get access, people do a lot of things themselves. Second thing, but I think Malaysia is doing it quite well, is to engage a private sector. Not to be afraid of private sector. Private sector is a vibrant one, and so building information society is a huge task. There is plenty to do for everyone. The private sector, the public sector, and the NGOs. So everyone has a role, and to be successful, you have to do it together. Third, the government really has to prepare the groundwork, the infrastructure. So you have to have the digital databases, you have to have people accessing information, and you have to have digital ID. And if you put all this together, then it is this platform where everybody can develop. Well, again, I don't know that much about Malaysia yet. I hope to learn more. But what I can see is that, for example, lots of people in Malaysia are already in social networks. How about the government? I mean, do you force people to go where the government is, or does government go where the people are? So I think it is more than natural to go where people are. And secondly, I've looked around here in the exhibition. I've seen different technical solutions, lots about data security, knowledge management, things like that. But I don't see much about e-participation. So one of the things that ICT does, and it empowers people. It allows people to have a say in government affairs, and I think that is clearly something that could be part of the 2020 agenda.